Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where I will walk you through the fastest way to import a large amount of video and photo files that you've captured on your DSLR or action camera from your SD card into the Floodin app. For this lesson you will need to have an SD card with some video and photo files saved on it, a OTG SD card, USB Type-C adapter, and of course your mobile phone with the Floodin app installed on it. So step one, guys, please insert your SD card into your OTG card adapter. Step two, please insert the adapter into your USB charger slot on your phone. Step 3, navigate to your My Files folder and open it. Step 4, navigate to the USB storage device folder and select it. Step 5, select the files you wish to copy. Step 6, select copy or move. Step 7, please go back. And step 8, select internal storage. Step 9, select DCIM and then select the folder you would like to save the files to, and in the bottom right select copy here. Once the files are copied, remove the SD card adapter. Those files are now stored on your phone and ready to be imported into an album in the Floodin app. It's the fastest way, guys, to import large amounts of files. Hope this lesson helps you, but should you have any queries at all, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below or reach out to me using the details in the description. Now go capture memories.